In this video, I will teach you how to price your e-commerce product. So it's gonna be short, but you need still to put a lot of thought into it, how to do it right. So how to price your e-com product? So first of all, you need to calculate how much the product costs, right? That's the first thing. And write it. Do an Excel sheet, write it, how much the product costs. If you sell packages, write how much each package costs, okay? And I suggest you calculate it before even building something, building a page, building a store, because if there is no profit and the margins are thin, so it's not worth investing time on it. So, okay, you have the prices, right, of the cost from the supplier. Now the second thing I do, and not a lot of people doing it, it's you need to estimate how much tax eventually you will pay, okay? But before it, you need to decide what is the target price, okay? So if the target price, I don't know, it's $100 for the first package, $200 for the third package, and $300 for the third package, here is what you need to do. You need to calculate the tax from each package, right? Estimate it. If you don't know, ask accountant, ask ChatGPT in which country you are, ask it, okay? So once you did it, you will know better what's your profits, because the profits in e-commerce are not big, and if you don't understand more or less what will be the tax, what will be the supplier, and what will be the cost per conversion. Now, most of the people who do e-commerce do it through paid advertising, and there is a cost to bring a niche conversion. Usually the cost I found in the niches I deal with, it's like $20-15. So yeah, it's an estimation, but $5 to there, $5 to there will not make such a big difference, right? So yeah. Okay, once I calculate it, I have the cost that it's cost me to bring a conversion, I have the taxes more or less, and I have the cost of the product from the supplier. I can understand how much profit I have. And then I can see the reality, because the last thing that you want that will be happen to you, that you will bring a lot of sales, and in the end of the day, after you pay taxes, you will almost not have profit. Now, it's very dangerous because you see this money coming in and you think you're making money, and eventually you don't, and I was there, and you don't want to be there, so learn from other mistakes. To be honest, it's simple, but when I do it, it's taking me few hours to do it, to be honest, because you need to think, okay? You need to think about it. Maybe you change this product, you find cheaper products. There is a lot of games to do inside of this pricing, but definitely this is the most important thing when it's come to e-commerce, the pricing, because you can sell a lot and you will eventually feel stupid when in the end of the day you will see almost nothing left. So was it worth it? No. So, and it's a lot of work. E-commerce is a lot of work, and you don't want to put this amount of work and discover you don't have profit. So yeah, this is my guide. Subscribe to my channel for more tips like that, and if you want to work with me, in the description I will put links for the things I can help you, paid and not paid. And that's it for today. I'm Jacob, and I will see you on the next video. Ciao.